Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video will be talking about the OEX missions and the reward you claim every 8 hours on the OEX app. And this is only available to users who have completed the 5 missions. First, to go through our OEX app. So when you open the app, you get this interface showing the wallet, and then you can see the core mainnet, the long testnet, and the OEX mainnet, which is coming soon. So this is the missions you need to complete. Mission Z is the quiz, where you get 10 long testnet USDT. Mission L is where you need to swap and hold at least 1 USDT, 1 OEX, and then 2.5 AGI. Mission T is the Telegram. You copy this the text you have in the box, you visit your Telegram, you search for at AGIEX_bot, and you send this text to the bot. That's how you complete mission T. Mission X is for Twitter. You copy the post they give you to post on Twitter. You copy the link, put it in the post status, and then you verify. That's how you complete mission X. And mission E involves you putting your registered Satoshi app email and your correct country, and that's how you pass mission E. If you've passed all this mission E, X, T, L, and Z, then you can move straight to the hub. Be sure you are using the latest version, that is version 1.0.8. You could download that from GitHub. I'll drop the link to download that in the description of this video. So while you're here, that is under hub, you select AGIEX. You can see the bottom of my screen, it says this reward is now available to claim. In order to claim, you tap on this small icon, this small circle on the screen with a picture in it. OEX reward acquired. So now I have 0.25. This is it. OEX reward. A total of 500 million OEX reward will be distributed linearly over 360 days. Users can convert DP value into OEX reward through the avatar. The efficiency of conversion will be influenced by the avatar score. So, the next reward is in 7 hours, 59 minutes, and 20 seconds. So this is how you claim this reward hourly. Every 8 hours, I mean. So you come back here to claim, and that will be the end of this video. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section for me, and I'll attend to them as soon as I can. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.